Hi, I'm Harish SK. I'm from ACCURA Global Tech. Recently, we have started this company 1 year back. We have brought in 7 machines in STM. We have used previous 8 years old this machine. The performance is good, very. The accuracy and all, it will good. That's why we choose these machines and all, 8 machines in one shot. We have that out of 7 machines, we have brought 2 machines in 5-axis machines. That 5-axis VFX for is very good. The accuracy wise and all very good. We have a few customers who supplying the parts. The DNT is very tight and close tolerance. We have made the customer requirement and performance is good. We are focusing in only aerospace and defense. We are fulfilled some few customers in defense and aerospace also. The major MNC companies. We are getting last 7 months. We are supplying their existing customers. We have performance, the quality wise we are meeting their customer requirement. Due to machines is very good, performance is very good. That due to that one, we meet the customer requirement and that we have majorly supplied tied to suppliers. That major customers in Mahindra Aerospace or ACCURA Aerospace and few more companies are there, etc. Why I am choose the STM machines? Due to we have the last 10-12 years in business relationship is good bonding with STM salesperson in Pratapan. Due to that one only, their service and all very good. That immediately they will respond that one, they will rectify the issues and all. That based on only I choose only STM machines. That performance wise and service wise is good for fulfill their customer requirement and the STM team, technical team only. Recently, we have started some X companies due to that my volume is batch quality up to 250 numbers. That the DNT core tolerance only repeatability is the 2 to 3 micron tolerance and all the position dimension. Up to one part, maybe I think the 250 dimensions are there. Out of 250 dimensions, 10 dimensions only 5 micron tolerance repeatability of the position, perpendicularity and the flatness. We are continuously part to part. We recently produced 100 numbers. That first part and the 100 parts we are meeting only 3 to 4 micron tolerance. We actually repeatability of the part due to that machines only, that VFX folder and data table. That VD1050 which is that STM machines is good, performance is very good, but meet the customer requirement within less than 10 microns. Thank you. We'll fulfill our requirement on the STM team. I prepared to some other my colleagues and all. I'm also adding more machines in STM only further. I prepared also my friends and colleagues and all to go with STM only due to performance is very good, fulfill their requirement and all. Better than some other brand machines.